Hello friends, so today we are going to see how to install Node.js on our Windows machine. So it's very easy to install. We just need to install MSI file. So let's see if you are guys having any issues while installing Node.js. So let's start with the installation. So first of all, we just need to go to the Chrome browser or any of your favorite browser. We just need to search for Node.js and it will show us a link for nodejs.org. Just go inside that and you will see two of the links. So first one is 18.14.0 LTS and another one is 19.6.0. So current version, it shows as a current version is the latest version, but the recommended version is for most of the user is the LTS version. So I recommend you guys to install with this LTS version only, and so that it won't have any kind of bugs or issues. So let's start with this LTS version. So when we click on this, it will start downloading. So it may be happen like if you are guys having to install a particular this version, so you won't get this particular version, you may get a different version at a particular time. So it will be the same for that particular installation. So we just need to click on this MSI file. So it downloaded a MSI file only. So just show into the folder, and when it downloads, then just need to open into our folder. And when we see this, we just need to click on this, double click and run, and it will just show you as a setup wizard. So just click next, accept the license agreement. If you want to, you can read this document. I'll just click next, and it will ask you to install the Node.js folder where we need to install. So we just need to stick to this current version only. We just click next, and again we'll click next only, and next, and it will be installed. When we click install, it will ask us some kind of prompt. So we just need to click yes. After that, it will be installed in a few time. So after installation, click on this finish button, and now to check whether our Node.js is installed or not, just search for cmd, enter, and type as node-v. So if it shows the version, then it means Node.js is installed successfully. If you guys have any kind of issues or worries, just comment on this particular video so that I can solve your issues. Thank you.